We're gonna wrap him up with this blanket. So make sure he cannot escape. Okay, pull him up here. Then have his little head exposed. Okay, the pills are ready to go. They've been cut into pieces. Okay, we're gonna put the pill in the pill tool. Make sure it's good and ready. Yes, it's okay. Okay, and then you grab 2 fingers here on the front side of the mouth. Pull up a little bit. Boom, and just hold. There you go. Okay, that's 1. We're gonna do a total of 3 pills. Okay, easy. Second one here. It's okay. Fast in and hold. Okay, last pill. All right, ready? Okay, easy, easy. Boom, there you go, and hold. Some pets. All right, and we're gonna do the liver paste, okay? This one will be a little bit messy, but it's okay. Let's give it a try. It's okay, and just squeeze it all in there. Yum, easy. Okay, that's it. Now you are free to go. That's it.